What's wrong?
This is nothing wrong. This is the satisfaction of a pregnant man's, belly.
So what do you normally crave? Like, do you eat fried pickles?
Well, not really fried pickles, but sometimes when I'm really feeling it, when the baby's feeling it, I get pickles and peanut butter, pickles and mayonnaise, pickles and mustard, pickles and ketchup, and mustard.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much.
Talking about some fried pickles in pregnancy? Hey, nice hat.
Yeah, thanks. Can I have some of those cookies?
Yeah, sure, here. Hey, can you pass me those cookies? Arms are kind of tired.
I don't know. It's right next to you. Whoa! What just happened?
What the hell just happened?
Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, my hiccups sound a little weird.
No, not that!
Where did the cookies go?
I don't know. You had them last.
Hey, my hat, it's gone.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know where it is.
I don't know. You had it last.
You can't say for everything that goes missing.
Dude, your hat's gone.
Wait, what?
Your hat's gone.
No way!
It's gone.
Your hat's
it's
gone.
It's gone.
No! That's my favorite hat!
My hat was my favorite too.
Yeah, you guys gotta keep better track of your stuff.
I paid $20 for that hat. Are you okay?
What's the matter, dude? You lose your voice?
This is getting too weird.
I agree. We gotta get to the bottom of it. Huh. The shoes are gone.
And that doesn't bother you?
Nope.
I'm just gonna go.
Wait.
What?
The hiccups. They stopped.
That's nice. I think I'm gonna go find Andres.
When I find Nate, I'm gonna kick his hiccuping ass.